Hello there. Today I received the Fenix PD36 Tactical. I ordered it and it got here pretty much the second day right after I ordered it. We're going to go ahead and do an unpackaging and unboxing on this. I can feel the tab over there, so let's go ahead and open it. Right here. Nice tiny packaging that they got here. PD36 Tactical. Let's go ahead and put this to the side for now. PD36. Oh, this is pretty cool. And let me figure out how to box this thing. Let's see. Scissors to the side here. Got the stick it knife here. Got my AFO somewhere, just couldn't find it. This is gonna work for me. Pull tab. Got that open. I think there's another part. Oh. This. Looks like I've got some type of tray that it's in here, or box. Ooh. Let's see what we got going on in here. PD36 Tactical. Got some literature, warranty card. I gotta remember to fill that out. O-ring. Got the case here. USB-C. From the other side. It's got this little disclaimer thingy. The sizes here compared to my ProTac seems pretty smaller. Let's go ahead and put the ProTac to the side here. And pretty sure that the battery's got some type of plastic barrier to prevent it from activating. Let's find out. Fenix. That's a pretty solid clip on here. Yeah, pretty solid. I forgot if I can open this thing. Yeah, it opens. It's coming out. Here's a little thingy. 500 milliamp. I think it's a 21700. 3.6 volt, 15 watt hour battery. USB-C. Can see in there. And we're going to go ahead and charge this up. And well, actually I need to take this out and charge it. Let me see what we can do here. Let me see how much juice we got. Okay, so it's locked out. That's turbo mode. Momentary turbo. Oh, there we go. It's got a pretty centered beam on it, and the you can tell when you're got it holding that it's like a sturdy button that you press. Try out the lockout mode. This moves pretty freely. Pretty easily. Lockout, low, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me look at this box right quick. I think that's his Eco 30 lumens. Low is 150 lumens. Medium is 350 lumens. High is 1000 lumens. Turbo is 3000 lumens. That's pretty bright. I guess if you're looking for something on the ground, maybe you can find it with this temporarily. Doesn't feel to be getting warm yet. Let me see if I can figure out how to do the strobe. Is there a way to do the strobe? There we go. I think you hold on to it. Yeah. You hold on to the button and the strobe comes on. And it'll stay on. You just do these little clicks. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can leave it on. Maybe you want to. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you hold it down. Okay, so it's not a constant. Ooh, got a little light show going on here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, and we're going to do a nighttime beam shot test and see what we can, how it looks during the nighttime.